Right, so I'm here giving you guys a video on one of the best scams of 2020. This is an investment scam. Um, the reason why I actually got involved with this company because it was introduced to me by a trusted, or what I thought was a trusted body, someone I knew personally. They also invested, and two other people invested in this company that I personally know as well. So, Bolide, what is Bolide? It's an investment company with a very sleek website. They basically claim to trade Forex and commodities, cryptocurrencies, and you meant to get a ROI daily. The ROI is sorry, for those who don't know, is so every day you're meant to allegedly earn a percentage on the capital that you've initially invested. So they sell you here, they're selling you our advantages, market review, whatever they say. Yeah, right. So the first thing I did was went on Company's House, Bolide Investment Limited, trade, yep. So the address here did correlate with the address on the website, 19 King Street. So I thought, okay, this is all legit, right? The person now who is registered to this address actually lives in China, right? That was my first identifier of something fishy was about to go down here. This is after I initially put in my capital, because I normally do things based off the strength of people that I trust and I believe, and when they show me something, it's I have to believe it when I see it, and I saw it, so I believed it, so I jumped on. Their nationality, the owner of the company is Vietnamese, currently lives in China, and they are the director. Right, the next thing I didn't at the time, but I put them in the FCA. Any company you're going to put your money into, trust the FCA. If they are not registered, I'm clicking search and nothing is coming up. That was my second red flag. Right, this was all too late though, because I already invested at this time based off the strength of people I trust. Right, so when you go to the About page, there will be more information about Bolide, who they are. Sorry, just sipping some of that fine green tea there. So they're selling you, putting some honest corporate people there, looking like they're doing, honest work there, board meetings and strategic looking caliber of people in that room. Right, so let's go to the pricing. So this page here, it basically gives you an idea of how much you're going to get ROI weekly. So they guarantee you a low risk and a high income stream and regular. So that's what sold me. I mean, who wouldn't that sell? I was fortunate enough to come in on this low level here. Unfortunately, I know people that did the actual advanced level and the enterprise level, and unfortunately they've had to count their losses. So let's start with this. This buddy pops up over here as soon as you come on, customer support, and as you see, I've been writing hey since 5:01. The time now is 5:14 and no one's not replying. However, the first 3 days when I was putting my money into this company, I had customer service at my fingertips. They were even asking me if I wanted a cup of tea. Not really, but you get what I'm trying to say. So signing up to this site was absolutely easy. I created an account, then they sent a confirmation email, and then I signed in and I was ready. What I had to do was I had to go to Coinbase, set up Coinbase, and Coinbase is a website where it's basically a wallet. This is how you buy your cryptocurrency, which was Bitcoin, which you then send to this company. That in itself was the mistake. When you send cryptocurrency, it goes through what we call a blockchain. A blockchain, basically, without getting too complicated, is you walking down the street, ending up where you want to end up, a location, and not knowing which way you got there, and no one being able to trace how you got there, but you will get there. So if you are the cryptocurrency, that's basically what a blockchain is. A maze, so to speak. If you do want to know exactly what it means, do look up the definition of blockchain. So basically, you send these people money that's untraceable, and you can't trace where it goes to. You get a code, you send it to the code, and your money is officially gone. Then they take a few hours to update this site here to make you believe that you've invested your money. That's how much I put in. I originally put in 1,000. I said, let me test this out. They paid out £40, so I put back in 50. This is what I've meant to have been earning on the last few days that I've been a part of the site. And again, let's check the customer service. They are nowhere to be found. Right, so this is the deposits page and the transactions. Everything in green is what has been done. They sent me back 40 quid of my, what I would say, my 1,000. Why? To build my trust. Why wouldn't they build my trust? Do you know what I mean? Every other transaction since the 22nd has been processing ever since. Now, I've tried to get in contact with these people, even at their help page, on numerous times, and they told me lastly, 2 days ago, that my initial investment, it'll be fine, they'll close down the account and give me back my initial capital, but it's going to take a bit longer. My question was, how come it was so quickly to put my money in? The time was so quick, but it's going to take 2 to 3 days to get my money out. I said, cool, I'll be patient. I'm now on day 4. I haven't received anything back, and I'm starting to believe that this is definitely a scam. So Bolide Investments Limited is not looking legit. So guys, stay away from this website. The reason why you would be seeing this, because it was a scam and because I didn't get my money back and no one else did. So if you've been scammed by this website as well, do leave your experience or a brief description to what actually happened to you. Let's collaborate together and let's get these bad boys caught. There are authorities out there that will and are investigating this company and the CEOs and everyone to do with it. So, guys, hold the faith and we can bust these bad guys once for all. If anybody got any more information about anything to do with this website or any affiliations, also feel free to email me. I will leave my email address down in the description below. Thanks for your time. Guys, be wise. There's other scams that do the exact same thing as this. So don't have to learn too big of a lesson. Always send your money through a bank transfer with a contractual agreement. Anything you send from Coinbase, unless it's to a trusted body, it's no longer retraceable, or you can no longer get that back. So be wise, people, and learn from my mistake. Have a good day, night, wherever you are in this world. And yeah, happy quarantine. That was a joke.